First, remove the nuts on both sides of the front wheel and take off the front wheel. Remove the gaskets on the front fork nuts, then take off the front fork nuts. Remove all gaskets from the front fork nuts, then take down the front fork. Pay attention to one washer and ball bearing ring on the front fork. Remove them and install them on the new front fork in order. Make sure the rounded side faces upward. There is also a ball bearing ring on the front fork section of the frame. Ensure the ball side faces downward. Then install the front fork. Then install the washers and nuts in the reverse order of disassembly. When fitting the second to last washer, align its notch with the notch on the front fork thread, then fasten the nuts tightly at the end.